परमात्म समारंभम ऋषिगण मध्यमम सद्गुरु पर्यंतम वंदे गुरु परंपरम आदेश जय महाकाल ఇక్కడ now we are knowing about the weight increase. Our body how will get the more weight, getting more weight. So here one of the main thing is suppose when you are taking the food, how much we are taking that food release the some energy, some strength. That strength point of view you have to utilize that. Otherwise our body automatically increase the more weight, gaining the more weight. So this is the common natural factor. Other than that factors, some other chronic complaints, chronic causes also there for getting the more weight. Now we can see that causes and what about that remedies for that point of view, saving of our health. So then we can see that generally the main causes of the getting more weight point of view. Suppose along with weight gain we have hair loss, continually sinus related problems, and constipation and weakness, low sweating, dry skin, depression, our body not in a free movement. These all causes mostly related to hypothyroid. This is the one of the hormonal disorder. That hypothyroid point of view, this type of most of the symptoms is there. Then we can treat this type of symptoms at the same time stimulating the hormone. The thyroid hormone also we have to stimulate. So this is in hypothyroid point of view also automatically the body will getting the more gaining the more weight. So this is the one of the cause. The second one is, if suppose if you are female, if you using the contraceptive pills, the contraceptive pills means it's avoiding the pregnancy. My humble request to you, if you are a female, if you don't want to confirm the pregnancy, then you better to use lube or condom. Don't use the contraceptive pills. If you use that, so many complications will arise in your body. Personally I treated lot of females, so they are using contraceptive pills, then they will become a more other complaints. Then it's very difficult to clear these all the things. So total our metabolic will disturb, our blood also some disturbances is there, some skin complaints will come, some other complications will there, some other mentally disturbances also there. These all the things is there. So we have to remember that mostly you have to avoid to contraceptive pills. These contraceptive pills if you are using in the time, obviously your body forming the some watery, then your body weight will increase. This is also one of the reason. The second reason is, if you are a female, irregular menstruation, menopause, these all the symptoms also getting the more weight. So in a hormonal balancing point of view, if you take the treatment, then it will normal. So in a hormonal compliance point of view, in balancing point of view, very excellent and extraordinary treatments available in the Ayurveda. So then you can use such type of things. The next reason is if you are using long run painkillers, or if you have a cancer and rheumatic related treatments or that related medications, sometimes increase the your weight. At the same time, in steroids also increasing the body weight. So when you are taking the treatment time, unexpectedly if your body increase the weight, gaining the more weight, then you have to consult the physician and change the drugs. That is very very important. Otherwise your body will become a disturbances. In Ayurveda, one of the great acharya is there, like Susuta. Susuta acharya is told that Prusaha stolat pujitaha. Prusaha means some not stout persons. Stolaha means stout persons, more weight persons. If you are if you are giving as a physician, if you are giving the treatment, both persons compared to more weight person, the low weight person is body will become more good responding. So this is the very best way. So don't try to increase unnecessarily weight gaining. So this is the very very important thing. The next thing is when you are increasing the weight point of view, your lower limbs like foot area and above that foot area some area forming the lymph liquid, obviously this area becomes some swelling, the swelling of lower limbs. That is one of the cause. Next, if you are little bit work also, you can become a more straining, you feel more strain, very little bit work. Then these type of symptoms we can call as a heart failure. So heart muscle also sometimes become it's a continually, it's a years of years without stopping, it's a continual working, they're pumping. So obviously one day it will this is also feel some strain, obviously some decrease is there. So obviously the heart muscles will become some failure. So the heart failure also one of the reason for getting the more weight gain. So in that time you have to give the medicine for the cardiac functions protection point of view, at the same time diuretic medicines also. So sometimes you have to consult the cardiologist immediately. So when your palm hand and some leg area and your lips and continuously watery vomiting, these symptoms, if you see that sometimes these palm and foot area, lips become some blue color is there. In that time, at the same time, some watery vomitings is there continually, and sometimes you are fell down unexpectedly. These type of symptoms, chronic complaints of the cardiac section. So immediately consult the cardiologist also. So this is the very very important thing. In that time also you can increase the your body weight. Next, the basic body parameter system point of view, the Vata, Pitta, Kapha is the three dosas as per Ayurveda and Siddha. So in that time, in Kapha type bodies generally very fastly gaining the body weight. So when you are Kapha type body, obviously you have to some maintaining the some food restrictions like that. So this is the very very important thing. When you are gaining the more weight, obviously you have to stop the oily food, fast foods, and continually taking the food. Next, sweets, curd, these type of food you have to be try to avoid, and very easy to digested food, little bit fiber food. These type of food if you are preferred, then this is good for you, good for your health. So this is the very important thing. In Ayurveda, two types of treatment is there. So Santarpan Chikitsa, Asantarpan Chikitsa. Like Brahmana Chikitsa and Lankana Chikitsa. When you are increasing the body weight point of view, these type of causes, already I told that causes. What is that cause? That cause are related to treatment giving. At the same time, Lankana Chikitsa also you can give that. Obviously, your body weight will become a normal. So then you can avoid the stola. Stola means more weight. So you can avoid that thing. So this is the information about the body getting more weight. Okay. Thank you for watching. Atma Namaskaram.